Okay, this is quite the meeting because this is going to be funny here for me just to watch the response. Okay, so I'm here with Mr. Peter Seven. Okay, and I'm here with Calicio. I'm going to turn around camera shot here. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so Calicio is here with FTL Displays, and they do the LED trucks in Las Vegas. And he's got in his hands the Azule Bite 4 with SMS, and we're going to call this probably a Sam box when we're done. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So let me show you a couple of things about this really quick.
Okay.
First of all, do you think that's too big of a computer?
No, this can go right in our truck.
Yeah,
What do
right
you
in the
mean too
truck.
big?
Yeah.
What's
Okay.
so big about it?
So I'm gonna geek out for a second. Okay. So I'm gonna ask you to bear with me as I take the bottom off of this thing.
It's all good.
Okay. So you want to take that one off too. So this is purposely made so you take these little things off the bottom here. Okay. And give me a second here. Thanks guys for recording this. Okay. I'm going to turn upside down and pop the bottom off. Okay. And I'm going to show you some things about the guts here that make it quite unique. Okay. So the first one is, do you notice that there's no fan?
No fan.
Okay. So it's heat dissipated through the top. So most computers really, in my experience, fail because they have fans. Okay, so this will do the high res you need, but no fan. But take a look at this little sucker right here. Take a look at this. You see down there? Do you see what that is? See that?
Yeah.
Okay. You want to take if you took the SIM out of your phone right now,
Right.
and you went down here and went clip on clip,
Right.
you've now got everything. This is the modem, cellular modem, plus an Intel computer, everything smashed into one. Okay. Now that little gem of a little SIM in there, why is that such an important SIM? It works across just about every carrier around the world. You could drop ship this to 10,000 locations.
Oh, that's tight.
You don't, and it doesn't require a data plan.
It doesn't. Oh,
So,
wow.
Okay.
So that's cool.
Yeah.
So we don't need, so we just hook up, it's already hooked up to the internet.
Well, it's close. It's hooked up to the ability to SMS. You can upgrade it to being data, but the cool thing about this is you don't have to. What you can do is you can talk to this by text message.
Oh, okay.
So let's go through the steps. Step number one is you would ship this to a location. Okay. Where's the other little pin piece? Where did I put it here? Somewhere. Oh, there we go. Okay. Step number one, you would ship this to a location. Step number two, you would give them the instructions to simply plug in well, we put the antennas on first, right?
Yeah.
So you want to put one antenna on, I'm going to put the other one on. Okay, so it's super simple. Okay. Got it. Okay. So face, of course, get the antennas so you can face them up. So I'm going to twist this one up. Okay. There you go. Now, plug in power. Okay. You don't actually have to here for now. I just
that's just where it goes.
Yeah. So I'll show you something about it on the back. Okay. That you'll go, oh. Number one is you could run it regular power. I'll just put these back up so they don't thing doesn't bend over. Okay. So number one, 12 volt. Got it? 12 volt. You can run this off of the battery of the vehicle, and this thing will do a derivance of between 10 volts to 24 volts without frying the computer.
Oh, wow.
So now you don't need an inverter to run the computer. Okay, got it?
Yeah.
Number two is it also has what's called PoE, power over Ethernet.
Okay.
So that means you don't have to have this right beside the power supply. You could actually get what's called PoE injection, and you could run this anywhere you could run a network cable. This will also power off the network.
Right.
Okay. So then you got the regular LAN, so it comes with, you could hardwire it, networking, the HDMI and dual. Because it's got the VGA there as well, you could do two screens off of one on the design.
Right, as long as one is a VGA and one, or just get it a VGA to HDMI.
You got it. And it's got 4 connectors here for USB.
And those are imports?
Yes.
And this is C import?
You got it.
And then
Okay.
that's a looks like a SD card.
That's correct. So you could even put an SD card into it.
And that's how you can put your content on.
You got it.
All these ports can put content.
They could put content, but here's the wild part about it. Because you can talk to it via SMS, here are the entire instructions to be able to start to get content to it. Number one, plug in power. Number two, start chatting with us because we can program it for your networking. You don't have to do anything.
Oh, okay.
Got it?
So I just chat with you guys and we'll send you the ads on the SMS?
You can chat with this thing.
Oh.
So you can say, hey, what Wi-Fi is within range? And it'll go, here's the Wi-Fi within range.
Okay.
So let's do a step by step. Step number one, you put this equipment into the truck. Just plug in DC power. Okay.
Right.
So now it's lit up all of the LEDs. You drive to location.
Right.
So let's say it's well, you've got a dispensary right now, right?
Yeah.
Okay. How do you update at the dispensary right now?
The USB.
Okay, so you have to go there, USB update. Okay. Yeah, with this, no. What you can do is say, hey, what Wi-Fi is within range? You phone the dispensary, go, hey, is your Wi-Fi cannabis 123? They're like, yeah. What's the password? We need to update the device. They're like, password is 1234. You can go, okay, well, password is 1234. This goes, yep, okay, I'm on Wi-Fi. Now you're live at location and you don't have a data cost.
Oh, wow.
You can upgrade this to running over 4G, but you don't have to.
You can run over 2G.
No, you can run over just their Wi-Fi. You can program it for their Wi-Fi and not even have it. Yeah, you can text message the device.
Oh, that's really cool. That is really cool. And it's not that big.
No.
Not that. Let me call Craig.
Yeah, sure. So guys, we're gonna do more recordings as we're walking around FTL displays, but it's just the people behind the scenes in the industry that get what this means, right?
No, this is really cool. How did Azule like everything yesterday?
Oh, they love what you did.
Alex?
Oh yeah, they thought that was cool.
Oh, that's cool.
Oh yeah, that was cool.
That's all good.
So stop recording in this one because that's a whole out of box. We're now going to plug this thing in RV and you're going to program it for Calicia's location where he doesn't have to do a damn thing.
That's cool, man.
Cool.